seen my last vlog? I think you need to see it. Yeah, because I crashed my drone in there, in the lake. The battery in the water, battery splashed on the water, it was blinking. It was weird when I was charging it. And let's find out later if it's still working. I had to brush this one because there's white stuff there. Anyway, crashed in the tree, on the rocks, into the water. Bam. I honestly don't mind this one being destroyed. I'm more worried about my parents not talking to me because this was their Christmas present. I'm more worried about that. For 2 days, I put it in rice and silica. This silica you can find inside the shoe boxes and bags. And this is what we do here when we accidentally wet our phones. 2 or 3 phones was saved by rice. The rice absorbs the water inside, and this silica also that's doing the thing. We will see later if it's still working. You can see there's a dent here and in the propellers. I can feel it, there's a dent. It's not smooth like the other ones. So hubby will have to change this soon. I've got an extra one when I bought this. Maybe 3 propellers need to be changed. This was the wet battery before, which I soaked already in rice, where I put it in rice. The moment of truth, my friends. So now we're just gonna try the batteries. There are 3 spare ones, and one was not working, so we're just gonna try this. And we have a winner! Guys, this is my breakfast for today. I decided to test the drone with you. So come on, walk with me. You'll see if it's still working. My drone decided not to fly today, so I'm gonna put it again inside my rice and silica. Actually, in the DJI forum, they said 3 days. They put the drone for 3 days with silica and rice, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I just put mine for 1 day and then I tried flying it and it flew. But then today is the 3rd day since it got soaked in the water, and it says power system error. So there's something wrong with the hardware inside. Maybe it's still wet, whatever. I'm gonna open this 2 days from now and hopefully we have a happy ending. guys, here we are at the park. It's just a small park and we're gonna test my drone. This is actually my third time to test it. The first time it was really horrible. It crashed multiple times and then I was just hovering it, you know. Second time it crashed twice inside the house as I was trying to fly it, and after 10 minutes of just running it, you know, making it a little bit hotter or something like that, it was okay actually. After how many minutes? In total, I flew it around 30 minutes and it was fine. And now we will see again, final try, if the drone will really fly, if I don't have to send it to DJI for repair. Okay guys, come on, come with me. I'm here with Javi and Muddy and Maddie, and this is a beautiful location. It's got a lake here, there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna practice my drone there because I just read from the forum, DJI forum, that one disadvantage of the DJI, it doesn't fly good in the water. Maybe that's why I crashed my drone there, because it was over the lake. Alrighty. Yeah, it's on. Connected. Home point. So far so good. Home point, so that it knows where we are.
The home point has been updated. Please check out the map.
So this happened last time. Power system error, power system hardware error, restart aircraft. It happened to me the first time, and then I just have to wait 3 to 5 minutes when the drone is a little bit hotter maybe, then turn on again. No, go take off.
How do you turn it on?
Double press.
So the
It's
gimbal's moving.
If you made it to this end, thank you very much. It's either you really want to know what happened, or you have the same situation and you want to know what happened, or you're one of my parents, because you're gonna talk to me later. Anyway, I heard so many good things about the customer service in DJI. I heard they're good and they're not gonna scam you. So this is what I did. I went to the DJI repair. Just Google DJI in your local. I live in Australia, so I typed dji.com.au. So I went to the repair website where it says there to either pay for the repair or you can use the warranty. You just had your drone 12 months under, I think. It depends on the reason why you need a repair, and they can repair it for free for you, or if they say no, you need to pay, then you need to pay. So I'm looking forward to it. I already passed my repair request. Hopefully they will say yes to the warranty so I don't have to pay. Anyway, I'll let you know what happens in my next few vlogs if my DJI is going to be returned back to me with or without pay, hopefully. Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, the best advice I can give you is to go to the DJI forum, and I did a lot of research, YouTube and their website, and the best one I can give you actually is just try the rice and the silica if it will work. 2 to 3 days, just put it in a sealed plastic, or I just show you in the video how I did it. If this process won't work, then just go have it repaired in your local DJI repair shop. That's all. Thank you so much for being with me, and see you on my next vlog.